Try to get up.
I can't.
Why can't you? Just try. You were trying a while ago. Try again.
I can't.
Try. You say you can't, you never getting up. Get up. If you get up, you're never gonna get me for this. You need help. Yeah, I'd be able to get up and out of that easily. Let me see your hands. Gotta make sure that ain't coming off. Don't fall. Alright, come on, let's try walking. Daddy! Dad! Come look at Brayden!